What's up, guys?
Hey.
It's Glitch. Hello. You know this guy. Mindless. Charlie. Alright. It's time to fly. Hey guys, it's me again. Just got done with that crash you just saw, and I plugged in another battery, and I just realized that the pad's lifted up on my 4-in-1 ESC where I get the main battery voltage from the battery. So it looks like that quad is grounded for now, but it's time to fly the Martian.
You made it funny.
I did. I made it funny. Did you hear that?
Grounded.
I'm grounded. But anyway, you know, we're still ripping around over here. I'm not fully grounded. You know, we still got another quad here ready to go. The Martian. So he's going up, and you're about to see that footage now. Charlie just got some flights in. So here we go.
I'm always worried about when I lick my legs if I'm gonna like put the arm put the peppercorn off. That would suck. Still recording. Oh fucking that wasn't 32.
the next day.
Hey guys, it's me again. I'm on day 2 with my quad stuck up in the tree. I got it stuck in there really good this time. Anyway, I don't know how to say this. I got a slingshot. I went to Walmart, got a slingshot, and I got a box of golf balls and some 80-pound test fishing line. And I did my best. I tried yesterday up until, you know, the sun went down, and just didn't have any luck. And I came out early this morning and came out and tried again. Actually, that is a really good quad retrieval device, but just the fact of where my quad is stuck, it's basically like where 2 tree branches, you know, make a V. It's right at the very bottom of them, and it's pretty stuck in there. So I have now called one of my buddies, Sam. He owns a painting business. Sam the Painter is the name of his business, and he's gonna come out with a full extension ladder and some poles, and we're gonna see if we can get this quad out of here, out of this tree. So I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.
Got something stuck? Call a painter.
Some real shit right there. You got something stuck? Call Sam the Painter. There you go. Look at that. Drone out of the tree.
Got you.
Damn. Well guys, looks like the quad is finally out of the tree after day 2, and yeah, Sam the Painter got it out. So it goes to show, if you ever need a quad unstuck, don't be afraid to call a painter. They've got the ladders and such to get pretty high up in the tree. Some will do it, some won't. I know Sam the Painter will do it. So if you're local here to Columbus, Ohio and surrounding areas, you know, don't be afraid to call Sam's the Painter. Yeah, the quad retrieval device I used was actually pretty decent. It, you know, did the job, just not the job that I had, because like I said, my quad was stuck in such an area that I wasn't going to get it out with that. But what I ended up doing was drilling holes through the golf balls and wrapping the fishing line through that, and that definitely worked, just not for my quad the way it was stuck. So anyway, have a good night. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll do the same. Have a good night.